What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Sneak Revival YouTube video. Today we're going to be reviewing a pair of shoes here. Before we get into that, I just want to ask everybody to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we drop a new YouTube video. If you want to support us further, head over to sneakrevival.com and get yourself some of our signature sneaker cleaning products. That being said, let's get right into it, guys. Alright guys, so this is the Puma Scoot Zero Cheetos collab, released February 16th, 2024. And this is Scoot Henderson's second official release with Puma, his first being the Georgia Peach colorway back on December 15th, 2023. For Scoot Henderson's second official sneaker release with Puma, the company partnered in collaboration with no other than the iconic Cheetos brand for the release of Henderson's second official Puma Scoot Zero. The Cheetos Puma Scoot Zero was released February 16th, 2024 with a retail price of $110. Once again, Puma delivered a one-of-a-kind sneaker collaboration with a line of merch and multiple shoe releases. The shoe comes in a custom box that resembles a Cheetos box, and inside we got the Cheetos Puma Scoot Zeros, and they even did the inside tissue paper in a custom Cheetos theme. It also comes with a unique Flaming Hot Cheetos themed shoe bag. The Puma Cheetos collab consisted of an apparel line release and multiple sneaker releases, including the Puma Scoot Zeros, the Puma Cheetos Suede sneakers, and the Puma Cheetos RSX FH sneakers. The description on the Puma website reads, "Game time meets snack time in Scoot Henderson's latest signature drop, introducing the Scoot Zero Cheetos collection. This eye-catching orange colorway blends Henderson's personal mantra, overly determined to dominate, with Chester Cheetos trademark spots. Reset your game and leave your competition in the Cheeto dust with the Scoot Zero Cheetos, featuring Puma Hoops tech like high rebound Pro Foam EVA for end-to-end play." The details of the shoe include synthetic mesh and textile upper for lightweight feel, synthetic heel cap with embroidery details, form strip lockdown support, Pro Foam EVA midsole, full coverage rubber outsole with anti-slip traction pattern, Scoot Henderson's signature branding, and Cheetos brand design elements and branding on the insole of the shoes. Alright guys, so that is everything on the Puma Scoot Zero Cheetos collab. I think they went absolutely insane with this collaboration, from the box to the bag to all the merch. I think they did a really good job on this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Again, I just want to thank everybody for their support. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.